If you've been thinking about upgrading your kitchen with a powerful air fryer but worry about safety, performance, or complicated controls, you're not alone. Many air fryers promise crispy food with less oil, but they often come with plastic interiors, questionable coatings, or limited cooking options. Today, we're taking a close look at the Nuwave Brio Plus 6-in-1 air fryer, a 7-quart smart air fryer designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and easier. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now here's the big question. What makes this air fryer different from the dozens of other models out there? The answer comes down to three things most people care about: healthier materials, precise cooking performance, and convenience. First, let's talk about safety and food quality. Many air fryers have plastic interiors that heat up during cooking. Over time, that can cause odors or chemical smells that affect your food. The Nuwave Brio Plus solves this problem with a 360-degree all-metal interior, meaning your food never touches heated plastic. That means cleaner cooking, no strange smells, and better-tasting meals. Another big upgrade is the PFAS-Free ceramic coating. Traditional nonstick baskets often use Teflon-style coatings that can break down at high temperatures. The Brio Plus uses Duralon Blue G10 ceramic coating, which is completely PFAS-free and tested to ensure it contains none of the 106 known PFAS chemicals. In simple terms, healthier cooking and easier cleanup without worrying about toxic coatings. But safety alone isn't enough. An air fryer also needs to cook food perfectly. That's where Turbo Convection technology comes in. The Brio Plus uses a 9-blade fan and adjustable power levels to circulate heat evenly around your food. The result? Crispier fries, juicier chicken, and evenly cooked meals without constant flipping or checking. And if you're someone who likes convenience, you'll love this. The Brio Plus includes 100 built-in presets designed by professional chefs. Instead of guessing temperatures and cook times, the air fryer automatically selects the ideal settings for many foods. That means less trial and error and more consistent results. Plus, with its large 7-quart capacity, you can cook meals for the whole family in one batch. No more cooking in small rounds. Now let's quickly break down some of the standout features that make the Nuwave Brio Plus a powerful kitchen upgrade. Key features: 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, toast, dehydrate, and reheat. Large 7-quart capacity, perfect for family meals. Precise temperature control from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments. 100 smart cooking presets plus customizable programs. PFAS-free ceramic nonstick basket for healthier cooking. 360 degrees all-metal interior that eliminates plastic contact with food. Turbo Convection technology. With a powerful 9-blade fan, 3 power levels: 700W, 1500W, or 1800W for flexible use. Full digital touch display for simple controls. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Auto shut-off, safety protection, and quiet operation. Another feature many users appreciate is real-time precision control. With the Brio Plus, you can adjust cooking temperature or time while the food is cooking without restarting the cycle. This helps you fine-tune your meals for perfect results every time. The multi-wattage flexibility is also incredibly useful. Whether you're cooking in a dorm, an RV, or an older home with limited power capacity, you can select the appropriate wattage level and still get great performance. And because the unit was designed and tested by professional chefs, the presets and cooking performance are optimized for real, everyday meals, from crispy wings to roasted vegetables to dehydrated snacks. So, who is this air fryer best for? If you want healthier fried food with less oil, a safe, non-toxic cooking surface, and smart presets that remove the guesswork, the Nuwave Brio Plus is designed exactly for that. It's especially great for busy families, home cooks who want faster meals, and anyone trying to simplify their kitchen routine without sacrificing flavor. If you're ready to cook faster, cleaner, and smarter, this might be the upgrade your kitchen has been missing. Click the link in the description to check the latest price. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe for more product reviews and kitchen tech guides.